Alright guys, in this video I want to talk about how I made my Intex pool, the 18 by 52 inch, a saltwater system. So Intex sells what's called a saltwater system, the QS1200. So every one of these products is made for the Intex pool. This pump, and I covered this in a previous video, but this pump and sand filter come with the pool. This does not. This is an upgrade. So if you just stick with this, you're going to be putting chlorine tablets and you will be having a chlorine pool. So if you don't like chlorine water and you want your pool to be a saltwater pool, this is all you need to make it a saltwater pool. Intex does sell different saltwater systems, and there is a different one that is rated for like the up to 7,000 gallons that this Intex 18 by 52 can use, but this one's actually rated for up to 15,000 gallons. And the reason that I decided to get this one is I wanted more salt to be converted into chlorine. I don't know if it's actually needed. This is just what I got. I've had it for 4 years, and this literally keeps my levels perfect. I've had zero issues. I'd rather have the ability to produce too much than not enough. So to quickly explain how this functions is, once the water runs through your pump and through your sand filter, it comes out of the outlet side and then in through this QS1200. That water comes through this system and out. So it's honestly a pretty simple system, and I'll show what's going on here. But this and the power cord runs like straight into this. So this is a diaphragm that the water is literally running across, and it is by way of electrolysis, it is separating the sodium chloride that's in the water and chlorinating the water. So, and if you didn't know, whether you have a chlorine pool that you're putting tablets in, or if you have a saltwater pool, both are chlorine systems. Now with saltwater, you don't notice the chlorine because it's a much lower level. All you really taste is the salt water, but the actual active ingredient that's keeping your pool clean and sanitary is still chlorine. It's just coming out of salt water. So basically how this system works is you add pool salt to your pool, and then the salt water runs through this and using electrolysis separates into the chlorine on demand, and your pool becomes chlorinated at the perfect level to where you don't smell it, doesn't leave your skin, all the normal stuff that chlorine does to it. None of that happens with salt water. It's excellent. And you don't have to keep adding things to your pool. You add salt to your pool maybe once or maybe twice per summer, and this thing just automatically keeps the levels right. So here's another view, and like I said, mine's a little bit brittle from being exposed to the sun, but it's also automatic. So one of the things I love about all of the Intex systems is once you hook them up, you can set automatically run on timers. There's a boost option. There's a lot of different features on this thing, but what you should know is once you hook this up, you pretty much set it and forget it. It handles everything. So, but yeah, so that's literally these three devices are all that I run in my Intex pool. And again, I have the 18 by 52 inch. So bought this off Amazon in 2023. It is now 2026, the time of this recording, and I am opening my pool for the 4th time. And yeah, it's really a simple process. I thought it was more complicated than this, and you probably did too, but it's as simple as hooking, threaded pipes onto each unit, connecting the dots and turning systems on and letting water flow, and your pool is good to go. So I'm going to show, once this is all hooked up, I'm going to show in following videos how all of it runs. Be sure to tune into that. I'm going to have a whole playlist and series on this pool, and I'm happy to answer any questions you have in the comments. So I usually answer them within 24 hours, so be sure to comment, like, and subscribe. Have a good day. Peace.